Question number 5. Given sec theta equal to 13 upon 12, calculate all other trigonometric ratios. Now to find the solution of this question in right triangle ABC, suppose this angle is here theta. Now it is given that sec theta equal to 13 upon 12. Again we know that the formula of sec theta is hypotenuse upon base. Theta is here, it means opposite side. This is perpendicular and this is base. Let hypotenuse is 13k and base is 12k. This theta, this is perpendicular, then this is base. Hypotenuse is given 13k and base is 12k. In triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, square of AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AC is given 13k whole square, AB square plus BC is given 12k square. The square of 13k is 169k square equal to AB square plus 144k square. Here transfer this left side, the 169k square here change into minus 144k square equal to AB square. Therefore AB square equal to, this is 169k square minus 144k square, 9 minus 4 that is 5, then 6 minus 4 that is 2, also k square. Then AB equal to root 25k square. The root of 25 is 5 and k square is k. It means the value of AB is 5k. Question is calculate all other trigonometric ratios. First one, sin theta equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now is here perpendicular is AB. AB is here 5k upon hypotenuse is 13k. K cancel, that is 5 upon 13. This is the value of sin theta. Now cos theta equal to base upon hypotenuse. Base is given 12k upon hypotenuse, that is 13k. K cancel, 12 upon 13. Tan theta put perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is given 5k upon base is 12k. K cancel, 5 upon 12. Now cot theta equal to base upon perpendicular. Here base is 12k upon perpendicular is 5k. K cancel, 12 upon 5. Next is sec theta. Sec theta is already is given here, that is 13 upon 12. This is given. Now last one more is left, that is cosec theta equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Hypotenuse is 13k and perpendicular is 5k. K cancel, that is 13 upon 5. This is your answer. So these are the remaining trigonometric ratios.